You don't need more time. You don't need more motivation. You just need to start. Nakaka-relate ka ba? We want perfect conditions to start. And I'm very guilty of that. When I tried this vlogging for the first time, need ko maganda camera, dapat laging okay yung mood ko, dapat perfect. But for those who win, they just move, they execute. So, execution beats excuses. Another day, another level up tips for you. Alam mo, marami akong kakilalang sobrang talino, may great ideas, may passion, pero wala nangyayari. Because at the end of the day, ideas don't change lives. Execution, yun ang nagpapabago. Si Daniel Frisley, isa sa favorite kong YouTuber, author of Key Person of Influence, sinabi niya, the words rewards people who get things done, not people who just have good intentions. Boom! Tinamaan ka rin ba? So, execution is the real currency of success. Hindi importante kung gano'ng kaganda ang plano mo, kung hindi mo rin sisimulan. Action is greater than intention. Every single day. Tingnan niyo si Alex and Leila Hormozi. Dalawa ring YouTuber na favorites ko. They didn't start with millions. They started with one failing gym. They fixed it, documented the process, and duplicated what worked. And that small start becomes a multi-million-dollar empire. All because of one mindset. Do the work, no excuses. No drama, just execution. Alex once said, I quote from James Clear, who is the author of Atomic Habits, you don't rise to the level of your goals. You fall to the level of your systems. Ang ganda, di ba? Kasi kahit gano'ng kataas ang pangarap mo, kung walang sistema, babagsak rin. That's why Leila often says, discipline, ito yung bridge between goals and yung growth mo. Si John Maxwell, niremind niya tayo na dreams don't work unless you do. So, totoo talaga siya. So many people say, one day. Pero leaders say, day one. And that single shift from waiting to doing, from hoping to acting, changes everything. Let's break this down to power of 3 for today. 1, start small. But start now. Don't wait for the perfect time. The perfect time is now. Every great company, every great story started messy but move forward. Number 2, build systems, not stress. Success isn't about working harder. It's about working smarter and more consistently. As James Clear says, focus on building systems that make success inevitable. Number 3, choose progress over perfection. Many don't start because they fear mistakes. Pero tandaan, failure isn't the opposite of success. It's part of it. Don't aim to be perfect. Aim to improve daily. Bo Sanchez once said,
You know, the problem with procrastination when it comes to dealing with God, ask me what? It's very deceptive because you're not disagreeing with God, you're just delaying what He wants you to do. You're not saying no, you're saying later. You know, you can even be, Lord, you want me to rebuild the temple? You know, if you were the Jew during the time, Lord, you want me to rebuild the temple? Yes, that's beautiful. That's fantastic. I'm in it. Sign me up. I'm 101%. Yes, I will do it. After I set aside certain things in my life, Lord, you know, my desk is full, my plate is very full. But once that's done, Lord, nandiyan ako. It's so fake, right? Procrastination exposes your priorities. Can you say that?
God cannot bless a plan you never start. Tama, di ba? Minsan tayo mismo ang umaharang sa sarili nating dasal kasi ayaw nating kumilos. Faith needs movement. Dreams needs discipline. And success needs execution. So next time you say, hindi pa ako ready, remember, no one was ever fully ready. not Jeff Bezos, not the Hormosis, not even you, not even me. But they move anyway. They learn on the way. And that's why they grew. So, here's my challenge for you. List down one big goal you've been delaying. Then, write 3 small actions you can take today that move closer to it. Maybe it's sending that email, recording that video like this, or finally, launching that plan. Don't wait. Just move. Because success isn't built on what you plan. It's built on what you do when no one's watching. By the way, I'm John, an employee by profession, and I'm entrepreneur by passion. Like most of you, I have a day job. I'm a business process manager, helping teams simplify and improve the way they work, while as a business owner, I'm juggling 3 physical stores and multiple online branches in e-commerce. I'm also a book author of Mannerism to Success. Now, my goal is simple: to help other professionals and entrepreneurs level up in productivity, leadership, and business mindset, one video at a time. Because I believe success doesn't come from luck. It comes from systems, consistency, and the right mindset. That's why I'm here sharing what I've learned from the best para sabay-sabay tayong umangat. So, that's our quick tips for today. Till next time, see you. Bye-bye.